Hi folks, Jesse again over here at EC Auto Repair. Once again, I've got an engine. It's out of an Audi Q5. We're actually doing some repairs on the vehicle that resulted in the engine having to be pulled. So just going to go over a few of the different components on the Audi Q5 while it's here. A lot of these components are actually the same, whether it's a American Asian car or a European car. All engines have some of the exact same components. They're all cars, all vehicles, machinery, equipment, lawnmowers, different things like that. So this is an alternator. This is actually what charges the vehicle battery, keeps the battery charged up. This is our crankshaft pulley. This is the pulley that runs the alternator and any other components, which this one would actually have an AC compressor on the front that's going to bolt up right there as well. So some of these components will be different per vehicle, but that's what we got going on. Here's an air intake manifold. So that allows where the air can come into the vehicle. Up here we've got the ignition coils. Underneath the ignition coils is the spark plugs. We've got all kinds of different sensors. Like there's a fuel pressure sensor right there. There's a different sensor right there. And then over here we have fuel injectors. So we have all these different things that just make all the engine run like it's supposed to. And in time, over here, this is the exhaust manifold. This is a motor mount. There's rubber that's encapsulated into this to prevent it from giving vibration into the vehicle. So here's heater hoses. Hot water comes from the engine and into the dash, circulates through a heater core so that you can have hot air inside the car in cold weather.